Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on how I used loose powder for contour from senegence, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I haven't been on for a while, so a couple days, but you guys don't know that. Life has been happening and I've been so busy with life that I didn't really have time to record videos. So life just happened. I don't know if I've ever showed this to you guys, the medium powder. You can use it for contour. I don't know how well it's going to show up because I have a lighter shade of foundation on, and I'm going to be using a different brush that I don't normally use. I got this medium powder back in summertime before I went on vacation. This is senegence medium loose powder. It is amazing. So it has peptides in it. It's one molecule away from being a cream. Like, it's just mind-blowing. So I'm going to be testing it out. I don't have anything, like, all I have is my base face on. That is it. And I wanted to try this out. So it comes with a lid. We have 6 different shades. If you're more on the fair side, this would work for you. If you, instead of using a cream contour, you can use powder if you like powder. I will also put my very own link down, senegence link to me, so you can shop these powders. So if you have normal to oily skin, or if you have oily skin, these are perfect for your skin. And these are vegan and cruelty-free, gluten-free. Like, they are amazing. So I'm gonna try it out. I already did my concealer and I did something a little bit different. I might do it in another video. So I'm just gonna kind of take it and get some on my brush. When I used to do makeup, like drugstore makeup, a long time ago, I loved powders even more than cream. And you can also put this all over your face, and it's not really showing up, maybe a little bit, but I wanted to give it a try. I think if you are on the medium side, this medium would probably work as an all-over powder for you. But if you're on the lighter shade, like I said, we have new shades of blush in the loose powder, and I actually got my hands on one, but there is this translucent powder. This is what this is, and it's white. Then it comes in light, then medium, then deep, then bronze dust. Oh, it's actually working. Bronze dust, silver rose powder, and then there's a peach one for blush, and glistening plum. So I got my hands on one of the new ones, but I'm not gonna say what it is. So I kind of did it where I would normally put my contour. So my hair is curly. I got it done yesterday, and it's like falling out of my ponytail here. So I don't know. Sometimes off camera, I like to take the medium powder. Like, I like to do the cream the cream contour in the shade Deep, and then I go over it with the medium powder. And especially now that the weather is changing, my skin is going to start changing. It's weird. So it's not bad, like not bad at all. So forgot to cover up my nose there. So I'm gonna try this other one. This is my favorite contour brush. This is a Saucony Kesh angled brush. And I'm just gonna kind of go over it. Oh yeah, the more you add, the deeper it goes. But I have a medium skin tone, so I think deep would be better with this shade of foundation. I did some mixing, so it looks so good. So I'm gonna finish up my makeup here. See how it like made it more, I don't know, more contoury? I don't know. Doing contour is my favorite thing, but I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup and go in natural lighting and show you. Actually, I'm going to turn the camera on right now and do it. Okay, so I'm in more natural lighting, and I should have done a before in natural lighting and a after. So this is what it would look like. I basically did it all over my face, but I actually really like it. So, but yeah, I just wanted to hop on and say, here I am. Life is happening, so I might not be posting as much. But yeah, I really like this look. So if you want to purchase the medium deep powder, any of the translucent powder, click on the link and then it'll take you to a second page where then you will like see my distributor's name. That's totally fine. I still get the credit. You scroll down to shop now on the second page, then it'll come up with all these bubbles: face, eyes, hair care, skin care, and all of our products have skincare in them, and they are vegan free and cruelty free, gluten free, made in the US, and which is really cool. But then you find what you want, and right before, on the fourth page, right before you go to checkout, you click that preferred kiss and tell little box right before the checkout button. You click that. It's $10. It gets you 10% off all your purchases all year round. And what was I gonna say? Oh, and it helps me out a ton. If you spend $100 within a month, you get free shipping and samples and your products. If you spend $150 within a month, you get samples, your products, and a free gift. So, but yeah, here it is in more natural lighting. I'm so glad that the seasons are changing and it's getting more warmer because I like the darker tone because of my vitiligo. So yeah, this is what my skin would look like if I didn't have vitiligo. Pretty much a little bit off, but yeah. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. That's what I'm here for. And if you need to be color matched or anything like that, that's what I'm here for. So please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.